Good morning. Welcome to the 2nd of May and to my channel, RLTW Strategies. And we will dive into the market. It's Thursday and we have one XFA. We have one XFA and we have 5 combines. The one XFA, we were down about $2,500. We made $1,100 on that yesterday. And so we're down, I think, 1,500, but we will work on trying to get that back slowly. So let's go ahead and look at the market and check out what we got going on this morning. I drew these two parallel channels, these two trend lines from the exterior candles and the interior candles, because it seemed to be hitting this medium candle, and then we haven't broke down through this candle yet. And this is the consolidated range from yesterday. We broke out of it and we bounced on it and we continued to go up, which may be an indication that we may come back and retest this area right here. But before we do that, let's go ahead and go to the daily chart and do our charting for the day. Remove all drawings and see what we got. So looks like we're doing good as long as we don't break this low from January. We should stay, maintain our all-time high, maintain the trajectory to continue going up. Let's go ahead and put this low down. January low, let's just name it January low. That way we know what that is. And we'll name this all-time high. And then this was Monday's low. And then let's do the daily trend. Do the daily trend real quick. Let's see if we maintain that. All right, let's drill down to the 4-minute or 4-hour. So we got this parallel channel going. I don't know how well these trend lines are going to act. But we'll keep them. We're coming up to a level here. Got an insufficiency zone. We got another one up here. Let's draw the inefficiency zone. Remember, we keep these yellow. We'll keep the morning consolidation orange. And this is a good area, because look where it bounced, kerfuffled here, and we're headed back up to that. And we rejected it yesterday right here. So that is something that we're going to probably keep an eye out for in this area. Takes us all the way. Wow, this takes us all the way over here. Man, this is an area right here. We got point of control from yesterday here. Day before is over here. We got this very definite support area or resistance. And I think that is it. If we break down, it's way over there. Where it bounced here, it's the top there from Wednesday, December 27th. So that is all we got, and we got this parallel channel. And then as we go down to the smaller time frames, like I said, we have this interior trend that we've been staying on. We could break it. We could bounce here. And we could break through and bounce here. Today could be a green day. Definitely could be a green day. Definitely could be a green day. We got this. It's a 15-minute, but I mean, got the inefficiency zone here. We could pop up into in 60, 65. We could go to 770, 17,700 for sure. But we'll see. We'll see. Oil bottomed out. We're about this break of structure. We may break through this break of structure, hit back down to here. I got this lower trend line that we're waiting to hit if we hit it. But that's it. That's all for the levels that we'll be drawing today. What do I think is going to happen? Well, we may retest up here in this inefficiency zone and come back down. We may break out this trend line and continue going up later on during the day over here as this pendant gets smaller and smaller and smaller. We may break down, touch this line at open, and we may come back down here to Monday's low, and then we have January low down here. If we end up going lower, that's what I think is going to happen. So that is it. That is all we got for this morning on charting. And we'll go ahead and monitor that as the market gets closer. We got news coming out in about 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and look at the news real quick. We have initial jobless claims at 8:30, U.S. trade deficit at 8:30, U.S. productivity at 8:30, U.S. anti-labor costs at 8:30, and at 10 factory orders. So for the ES, let's go to the 4-hour. And this upward parallel channel as well, and the same trend lines as we see on NASDAQ. I'm not going to draw anything on the SES because unless it starts acting differently than the NASDAQ, there's no point. I'm still watching the pivot points on what the ES is going to hit. So we'll just keep watching that. And then we got an Amazon. We have Apple, Nvidia. You can see the range that Nvidia was trading. We're in the middle of that range right now. Same thing with Apple. And Microsoft may be going higher. We'll see. go ahead and zoom in on these. Sometimes. There we go. Okay. Sometimes my toolbar won't disappear. And then I'm watching Palantir. It's back up at 22. I got into it a little high. I think it's going to $35, $37, $40, $50. Palantir may be a $100 stock. All right, so back to the chart. We could go over the Topstep accounts since we're here. All right, so 66 was our large. We made $3,000 the other day. We lost $3,000. So this is still open. We can't go below 148.7. We are at 150 right now on 66. We're dropping. News is out. Let's see what happens. Jobless claims and productivity. We're going back down. There's too much movement. I don't know if I want to trade. See, it's going back up. Let's go for a short test on the paper account. See if we come back down to VWAP. 900 bucks, three shares. US is dropping. We may drop. Apple's coming down. Nvidia, Amazon. US is dropping pretty good. Let's see if we come all the way down to here. And get stopped out. Lost $500 on the paper account. Ooh, here we go. Let's see. I don't know if we're going to be moving that much. Let's sacrifice another $500. That way we could lose a total of 1,000. And I'm guessing, right? Because well, bounced off the VWAP pretty hard. That would have been a good buy. We also got more data coming out, so multiple data is coming out.
And the news is not great for markets. Struggling to find how this is positive. Okay, so the reason why Apple just spiked, the reason why we just saw that spike in the
oh my God.
with the press release, Cook is reportedly expected to hit new AI features next week. So there you go. There's the reason why we just got smacked. Had nothing to do with reading the portfolio. We just had a surprise press release out from Apple there. So there you go. That's the dangers of trading. Is that at any moment, a giant like
Apple just spiked up to 173. It opened at, or it's in pre-market at 170.66.
That came out literally when we were in that.
Now it's dropping back down.
It's
All right, so back to the Topstep accounts. I'm glad we didn't trade anything live. All right, so 91, we were up $2,500 yesterday. We're at 152.5. This is where we're at. 56, not good. My winning trades are higher than my losing trades on this account. Let's see if we can maintain that. 04, we were up 1,256 yesterday. This is where we're at.
Yeah, over under on how many
250 to 21. We're slowly making, we have to make 9,000. 66, we just reviewed. We hit max loss yesterday. We can't go below 148.7. We're at 151. That one's ineligible. 53 and 31. We made 3,000 yesterday on both of these accounts. So we're just gonna slowly trade 53 and 31. Okay, because we're only down $8 and $128 on those. So that's just like starting from scratch. So we'll slowly do that, trade those, and then for the Express account, I'm very happy on how we traded the Express account yesterday. So we're only down 1,400. So we have this much movement before we get stopped out, right? 399. The plan is to not. The plan is to slowly trade this up above zero. And then anything above zero, all we have to do is make $200 more each day for 5 days, and then we can request a payout. But I don't want to take a payout until we hit 10 grand on that. So in these ones, there's no max profit, right? And I could have this account could stay open indefinitely as long as we keep it open. So that's the plan on that one. So I will continue to slowly trade those accounts, and we will continue watching the ES and see what the ES does, and we'll continue monitoring. Man, Apple's going up, but I'm not going to trade until 9 o'clock liquidity. We'll just keep looking at the market and see what happens. Man, ES is really dropping. We could bounce here at this candle. I'm not going to trade. It's 10 minutes till market liquidity. I got my sheet ready with the accounts so I could update it. I also have a calendar book on the daily. It's a daily calendar journal. 2024. Every day I mark my trades, and then I have a journal that I write my thoughts on. So whatever it takes, right? Whatever it takes to learn and categorize. Here we go. We're coming down.
Order filled.
I know I was going to wait till market liquidity. We're in 5 contracts. Where should I put my stop? I'll put it there. We might get stopped out. We might come down. Nvidia may be coming down.
Stop filled.
Stop that quick. Stop that quick. $300. Look at that. All right, so I shorted, got stopped out, down 300. Should have put a larger loss, stop loss on. Lessons learned, lessons learned. God damn, would have been up 1,200 on this drop. Nine o'clock liquidity, man. I don't know. It might pop up. We're in the middle of the box at the point of control. We could drop down. If we fill the gap, I'm coming back here, coming back down here to retest the close. This would be the gap fill. This would be yesterday's low. Let's go ahead and put yesterday's low on there. Yesterday's low. We could come back down there. Got 15 minutes till market open. The ES is right above the VWAP. Just about, looks like it's just about to hit. You know, the downward candle didn't break and it didn't close as a solid candle below that trend line. So this could be the reversal point. Plus we're still inside of the box. So getting into a short this early of a stage is what I tend to do, where I enter a trade earlier and then it stops me out, probably at the point of control. And then it continues to go south in my favor. So this is something that I could see happening with my decision-making process, being impatient, and then seeing it actually coming around without sacrificing my XFA or my combine. So that's why you should practice with a paper account while you're trading. So because it's so new doing it, right? It takes years to be able to probably do this proficiently. Just so close. We have very good days, and then the minute you close an account, you gotta start the process all over again. So that is the merry-go-round of trading. You gotta have your bad days less than your winning days. And your winning days have to be more than the days that you have bad days. The goal is just to get into good trades on our XFA and make a profit. Trade the setup. Be patient, trade the setup, wait for momentum, watch volume, stay disciplined. Look at that. Bounced off that EMA and trend line. Let's see if it continues. We could reject here to come back down. We could reject here and come back down. Two areas where we could reject from. 3 minutes before market opens. Woo! What kind of music should we get? Lofty music? Relaxing beats? All right, here we go. We rejected off that 50% area. We're coming back down. We got 3 minutes before market opens. I'm gonna go ahead and move my YouTube feed. I'm gonna extend that down. See what happens with the ES. We're at the point of control. Market opens in a minute and a half. I wonder if they'll copyright this if I pin this channel into my video. That's what we're listening to. Apple spiked up, Amazon dropped. So we got Amazon dropping. Microsoft isn't really doing anything. Nvidia is not really doing anything. We are at 844. We broke above the VWAP right now. Apple is high and we're down to 1 minute. before market opens. I'm listening to Topstep TV on my TV. Pretty ironic. I'm listening to music on the computer. And we're going to trade this. We are going to trade this. Let's see how loud this is. Why is this on? Oh, that's my volume. Okay. Market is open. There it goes. All right. It's fighting. It's fighting. Remember I said we're going to reject up here. Nvidia, Apple's coming down, Microsoft may be coming down. We got high volume. Let's see if this next candle is going to be larger volume. We got Microsoft popped up to 400, then dropped back down to 398. We could go with a buy. Go with a buy. We'll see. We've got the EMA on the 5-minute on the ES. That's at the point of control. We got both VWAPs on the ES and the NASDAQ's pointing up. The ES, yeah, we might fill that gap. Let's see. Let's see. I might be a little too loud. Let's turn this down a little bit. All right, are we bouncing here? Or we're breaking through? Apple is dropping. Microsoft, I think everything's dropping. We also may bounce. We also may bounce.
Order filled. Order rejected. Stop filled.
Remember, I'm scared. Man, Nvidia just spiked up. Apple just dropped huge. Nvidia's at 849. We're going to come back up to the VWAP. Remember, we got news at 10. Apple dropped pretty hard. Amazon's dropping. Microsoft's dropping. The only thing that's up is Nvidia. Nvidia's starting to drop. Damn. We may fill the gap. We may fill the gap. Watching. I want to enter here. Let's enter a short here. See what happens. See if people are buying. People buying. Nvidia, Apple. It's a huge range. Let's wait till we break outside this box and retest the box. So we're coming back down. Nvidia's at 850. Amazon's coming back up. And Apple's going up. ES is still above the VWAP. We just broke above the VWAP. We're at 153.80. Amazon's moving up. ES is coming back down. Look at gold real quick. Gold bounced so hard. Oh my God. It could reject right here. Nvidia looks like it's losing steam. Look at this candle. We opened with 16,000 contracts. This candle's only at 2,000 right now. Let's see if this volume slows down. ES is dropping. ES could break through the VWAP or bounce off the VWAP. We are below the VWAP. We could fill the gap. Nvidia came down a little bit. Microsoft, Amazon, Apple. Apple's going back up. Is Apple going to take everything else with it? There's confluences happening, right? Apple is high at 172. Nvidia spiked up. but it's now dropping. Amazon spiked up. ES is breaking down.
Order filled.
ES is breaking down.
Stop filled.
Damn.
Order filled. Stop filled.
$1,700. Look at, so I entered trades, closed trades, entered trades. We're up $1,500 on the paper account if I just kept it open and not kept closing it. Jesus. This is the stuff I got to learn how to do. Look, I'm up 2,000. Good Lord, man. I was shorting. We're up $79 right now. I'm happy with that. We could bounce down here. Or we could fill the gap down to here. Let's see if we fill it. Let's see if we get to this line. Golly, I missed the move. See if we come back up. I'm watching the 15-minute. That could be a good bounce. We could bounce to here. Man. We're touching that line. Are we bouncing off that line? Right here? Or breaking through? Apple's dropping. We're down at 80. We only moved 20 points. We're in a low volume area on both the ES and the NASDAQ. Bounced pretty good right here. Nvidia's screaming back up to 851. Nvidia's dropping, Microsoft's dropping.
Order filled.
That was a good trade. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. Got stopped
filled.
out. Up 600. So a nice $600 trade. We've got 20 minutes before market data comes out. What's the data that comes out? We got factory orders. Factory orders. Oil's, gold's coming back down. Damn. Man, look at that, 1,800.
Order filled.
That was a good trade. Lows down there. I might get stopped out on this bump up. I kept moving my stop. We're good. We're up a lot.
Stop filled.
800 on that move. $800 on that move. And we got news in 4 minutes, so I'm flat. Wait for the news to come out. This thing could pop up to the VWAP or the point of control and reject back down. So that is what we're watching. We're watching that. ES is up 15, Dow's up 100, NASDAQ is up 75. We're $2 away from dropping. Apple's dropping. Man, we could spike up right now and destroy my XFA. And the news is coming out in 10 seconds. Let's watch. News is out. We're going down. We may bounce. We may bounce right here again. I feel like it's going to drop. Too late. Let's see if we bounce right here. We missed out. Gotta wait for a pullback. We're going to this trend line, this daily trend line. We could bounce off this daily trend line. God dang, missed out. Look at that. I would have been broke even on my, I would have broke even. Here we go. We got Nvidia breaking down 840. Still dropping. Missed out on that. Missed out on that. Don't get FOMO. Do not get FOMO. Yesterday's low. We could touch yesterday's low and bounce. That could be a high probability trade right there. Yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. Oh man, we could bounce right here too. Damn, they bought the dip. Let's wait for a pullback. Let's wait for a pullback.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Could reject off here. Let's wait for a pullback. Come back down. Come back down. Come on. Microsoft is coming back down. Pull back. I'm gonna people could be buying right here and they're going to push the price down. Nvidia's going down. That trend line is at 1436. Still got yesterday's low. We broke the trend. Yesterday's low is down there. Oh, pivot points. Let's see. Did I select it? Yeah, I selected it. Damn, pivot point's way down there. People are getting in right here. Yesterday's low, broke through it. Mm. Are you rejecting or blowing through here? Oh my god. We rejected off of that trend. It is 10-12.
Order filled. Stop filled.
We could reject here. Apple and Microsoft, Nvidia and Microsoft are both going up. So is Amazon. We are testing. We could bounce here again. touched.
Order filled.
There we go.
Stop filled.
All right. We're only down $400 on our XFA. I'm going to stop trading the XFA for now because I am very happy with where we're at on the XFA. And we will try again. We have Nvidia coming back down. We're at this bounce. I think we're going to bounce on this trend line again. So let's go ahead and put an order in on the paper account and watch that go. That is at 442. So at 440, we'll move this up a little bit and we'll try to go with a long here. See if we touch the top of that trend line. I want to put a stop there. And go back up to there. Okay, VWAP way up there. We got VWAP way up there. We rejected off the bottom Bollinger Band. We're moving back up. This could be a move
Order
up.
filled.
This could be a move up. Let's see, I'm in profit.
Stop filled.
Not much. It's only $100. But I believe we're going to
Order
pop.
filled.
We're going to pop up. We're going to pop up. There we go. Let's see where this is at. Let's see where this is at.
Stop filled.
500. Are we going to continue going or we're dropping down? We could be dropping down back to the... Man. Grabbing liquidity. Trapping longs. Sensing it's trapping longs is going to drop. I may be wrong. Oh, yep, we're going up. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Down 34.
Order filled. Order rejected.
All right, reject me. Come on.
Stop filled.
Not the 100. Oh my God, we're breaking up the trend line. Let's wait. Let's wait. We're getting lower volume. We could drop right here. Low in volume. Amazon's dropping.
Order filled. Stop field.
I'm not going to trade 53 anymore. Is this one done?
Order rejected.
Yeah, that one's done. This one's done. This one's done. I have another 04. It's that one. Woo!
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, we're in at the trend.
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, let's do account review. It's 10:30. Let's do a account review. Morning review. We have the XFA. The XFA, we made 979 and we are down 485. All right. What other count we got? We got 31, we're up 68. So 31, we're up 31. We're up 608. 53. 53, we're down 1,000. Damn.
Order filled. Stop filled.
923. Damn, dude, it's leaving without me. All right, 923. Let's keep going. All right, so 53. 88 is done. 88, 45, 04, 66. We're up 340. We're up 340. Man, damn, that would have been a good move. Jesus. 04, we're up 0. We haven't traded that one yet. 04, we're up 0. And 91. 91, we are up 808. 818. So, other than that loss, man, we're up 27.45 right now. We're up 27.45 as of 10:30, and it's still climbing. Jesus. Nvidia, everything's going up. Jesus. We could reject right here. We're coming to the VWAP. We could reject and pop. We're at, let's see if the 550s hold. We could reject in this area. See if we bounce off the VWAP. The VWAP or the EMA is at the 50% area of this box, which is surprisingly at right here is where the 50% area is. Could reject to that level. We could bounce here. We could bounce at 83. Is it gonna hold?
Order filled. Stop filled.
Quick $100. All right. Microsoft's coming back down. Look at that. I'm glad I got out of that. We rejected off the EMA. We could bounce here. Microsoft's coming down. $550s are fighting. Going without me. Oh! Got some ranges. Got some ranges moving quickly. This could be collecting stops or grabbing liquidity. We are at a high volume area. All right, we got another high volume node here. We could drop from here to here and then go back up, which that may happen. 457. That's way down there. Jesus. Volume is slowing down. Battling at the EMA. Battling at the EMA. We could go back down from here. Microsoft's battling. We're in the middle of that kick up. We could come back down to here. This trend line. I think I just get chopped up if I enter right now. Go short down to here, go and bounce. Yep. That was a grab of liquidity. Because look at that.
Order filled. Order rejected. Stop filled. Stop filled.
All right, made another $100, 781 now. 781 in the negative, so we're up 9, 8, 7. We're around there right now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break for the rest of the morning. I'm gonna go to the gym, work out, and maybe go to the run first. No, I'll do the gym first. Do the gym, get my mind off this, come back at 1300, and I'll see you guys then. Take it easy. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like what you see. Subscribe. I'll be posting videos regularly. Hopefully we can keep this XFA open. We made up some losses from yesterday. Roughly around $500. Well, we could see right now. We made up $979 today. We're down $485. That's doable. We could be in the positive tomorrow. We could be in the positive at some time today if we hit a high probability trade, and that's what I'm going to be looking forward to. So with that, I'll see you guys around 1 o'clock. Have a good one. Thanks. All right, it's 1310. We're back. I did some trading on this account that I was down 900. I was up 700, and now I'm down 1300. You can see it right here. 1300. It is number 53. So I'm in a paper trade over here. We started moving up. We broke outside of this trend. I have a consolidated box. We're still inside the consolidated box, which is underneath the level of inefficiency. And we'll go ahead and play this out. If it comes back down, it will close me out. If it touches the trend line again, I might go in long here. This might be a pullback area. We got NVIDIA coming up to the top side at 851. We'll go ahead and look at that right now. So here's NVIDIA. You can see that it needs to break 851 if we're going to go higher. We're close to it. We may reject off it and come back down. And if we do that, we're just going to range on the NASDAQ. Same thing with Apple. Apple needs to go above 172.47. Same thing applies. We got Amazon breaking above its mid-range, morning mid-range, so we may continue to the upside. And we got Microsoft. Microsoft needs to break the VWAP and break 397 in order to continue going up. And we got the ES bouncing on the pivot point. We'll see if we break through it or not. That is what we're looking at, and that will help determine, that will help us with the decision to go long or not. And with that, we got low volume. We need to break up against the this mid-range volume, about 5,000 contracts, if we're going to continue going up. That is something I'm looking for. So other than that, we just got this ranging trade. We could try to do a short here, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Paper trade's doing good. I got Panera for lunch. Got a BLT sandwich. We're above the Bollinger Band. See if we break above it. We need volume to come in. If we don't have enough volume, we're going to go back down. Amazon's going up. Go look at gold. Gold is in a bearish flag right now. You can see it right here. Got the post, and then we got this flag pendant right here. Oil is back to 719. We could break up, reject off this area, reject off this area. 7930, 7940. There we go. We're inside the inefficiency zone. Damn, that would have been a $2,000 trade if I get stopped out. Let's see if we come back down to this area and bounce. If we do, I'll go ahead and go with the buy. I'll go ahead and put a stop here. I don't know if we're going to come down or not. It is 13. We could just crater to the downside. I close out my account. We hit 2,000 profit. And we're moving up. We're moving up. We're in this upper. Let's see if we reject off of the this area. We could reject here. Volume, we're almost at 6,000. We could do a pullback to this area and continue going up. Let's see. We got the EMA and the point of control. We could also come back down to this pivot point. But this is the first level. If we have to maintain above 563, let's see. We got volume. We got volume. We have a parallel channel I drew. I removed it because we broke through it. Now we're back in that channel. We're on this top end. We broke through this trend line.
Filled. Filled.
Quick $100. Still waiting for this move right here, if we get it. So we got Amazon that broke through. Can we go to this high? Can we go to this high up here? Possibly. Damn.
Filled.
I don't know if that is enough to pull back. All right, so I'm here editing the second half, the second afternoon of the video, and what I ended up realizing is we traded so terrible in the second half of the afternoon, and I was forcing trades. I lost the XFA. I'm going to go ahead and forward that section of the video, and you guys can watch that. I ended up hitting max loss on two other combines, number 53 and 04. I did finish the day up 1766, 1,766 for the day, but we lost both combines. Oh, correction, we lost both XFAs in the last couple of days. So the number of days that I've had the XFA has been 4, and today is the last day. So we are back in the evaluations, trying to certify ourselves to get another XFA. So with that, I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the video of where I lost the XFA, and then we'll do a end of day recap, and I'll close up this video there, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stand by and wait to see the devastation. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.
Filled.
One sec, Justin. One sec. We got some breaking. One sec. What do you got there, Mike?
Bigs here, light, not too much today, not too exciting. You want to go see a balance, 131 million on the buy side. 131 million.
All right, Justin. Please finish that thought. I know people. We're really interested in that in answering that.
Let's see if we can keep this going. Apple's coming down. I want to move my stop.
Upfilled.
Apple's dropping.
Order filled.
Golly.
Both the trading days we didn't do seem to be the right play. Time being. Lonzo's 130 million. What was it? Buy side. Buy side. 131 million buy side. Lonzo.
Upfilled.
But people are just exhausted. Markets are exhausted. Hold that port.
Order filled.
Soon enough. Soon enough, we'll get back to holy time on pull port. Sense it. You need to get back.
Do we have a? Yeah, we have it over here. Let's see. Let's see if we come down there.
I know. Big things popping. I like it.
Got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Apple's coming down.
I don't know, upward trend line, for now. Maybe something nasty comes in the last couple minutes here. I said this before. I mean, like when you have these kind of news weeks, it feels much more like you're trading
Are we far enough away?
other traders are interpreting news to be.
Right.
It's kind of like an awkward game.
Yep, got 6 minutes left. Justin, thank you again for joining us here on Fast Markets. People love you, chat. We love you here at Topstep. You're a good sport.
You dropping?
Great trading it is. We are inviting you to come on Fast Markets here, so we'll talk behind the scenes. Kind of something like that.
Upfield.
We can talk to you about that. That'd be a lot of fun. We're on
Order
Facebook in
filled.
the mornings, but
Eee.
a lot of profits here in Power Hour. Just today, like James Stager says, everyone's waiting. Time I think you got your level 2 back.
Rejected.
Refresh your friend.
Oh, look at that.
Upfield.
Gonna get you a Topstep X account there. Justin, if you're willing to switch on over. I think we're recruiting over here to Topstep. We're on the Topstep team here, Justin. And something tells me you're a solo lone wolf type of guy, though. So.
I think trading you have to be.
Yeah, I
I think
thoughts on
Upfield.
team trading, Justin? Justin, what are your thoughts on team trading?
I think it's terrible.
Moving on. Moving on. Moving on.
But it's like, and let me explain why. Like,
Field.
trading is a personal conviction thing. Like, you will never have confidence in yourself if you're trading with other people. Because just like when me and Dolby are on here and he has an idea, I have an idea, and then you second guess your idea because somebody else is saying something different.
There we go.
You never end up building confidence in yourself. So it's you might want to hang out with your friends. Like,
Stop
oh,
field.
it's like playing fucking
Order field.
online. It's like it's not. It's a business. You got to treat it like
Order rejected.
Oh, come on.
extreme level of conviction with whatever you're modeling. I know exactly. One of the questions was, Justin, how are you so patient? I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I'm not going to take anything until I get what I'm looking for. So that's a big part of it as well. You have to have alone time to actually build conviction, because so many people, like a big problem I had when I first started trading, is I would go on Twitter, see what other people are thinking, see what other people's biases are, and then it would conflict with whatever I was thinking, and then I never actually improved because I'm getting all this
5 minutes.
and I never actually built confidence in what I think.
I should have waited till it popped back up. But I thought it was gonna drop. It's 5 minutes till. 5 minutes till.
Trading, and I think owning a trade, taking responsibility is crucial to developing as a trader. Like,
This thing could spike up and lose my XFA.
Justin thinks it's a shit trade, then I just need to own it. Just know it's a me against him thing, and I have to believe in myself, and he has to believe in himself, and then that's how we grow as traders, even if I'm wrong. It doesn't matter. There is we got a post for hashtag Power Hour.
Yes.
If you are available, I'd love to show it. We only got one. It is, I think, high quality.
Yeah.
Yes, here we go.
4 more minutes.
Task view and macho vision. Man, this is mine. I travel on the most prolific visionary of a lifetime. Yeah.
Justin, do you know who the guy on the right is? Justin, do you have any idea who that guy on the right
We
is?
got $400 more.
He's a bodybuilder in a way, but I think it's Macho Man Randy Savage. He's a pro wrestler. That guy was roided out of his mind, man. That guy was a piece of work.
I think a lot of them. Yeah, I think sports in general in the 70s and 80s were kind of fast and loose, right?
We got what we got.
3 minutes.
Training was really good here.
Yeah, it does. We also got 2 minutes left in the day before we shut it down. It's Dolby time with the shades. What's the background today, Dolby?
Oh, sorry. It is, is there really such thing as a perfect man? Of course, here they're called drummers. Shout out to all the drummers out there who enjoy beating on the stick.
Come on.
Dolby is a very proficient drummer.
What kind of things
I went from 6 negative to 18 negative.
Play everything from like death metal to punk.
like that?
And actually, yeah, I do have a
It's gonna drop.
alternative is super good.
drop.
I used to work at the
2 minutes.
computer, so I've actually seen Topstep twice.
2 minutes.
First time I saw them, it's kind of a funny quick story. It was the first year
2 minutes.
3,000 person stadium seating, and it was the last show.
I don't think Apple's gonna have that good of earnings.
And they don't have air conditioning. And the last show was in April, and it was 90 degrees. Humidity was, I would say,
Microsoft's coming down. Nvidia's coming down.
from the ceiling. It was so hot. All the dudes were shirtless, and everyone wanted to drink water. It was insane. A lot of fun. Miss those days.
Here we go. So we see the ladder get real thick. Bids and offers come in. Size got about 60 seconds left of the session. Eddie, you got Bell. Owlers Row. You always see my man. Great day today. Shout out to all the Bell and Bellers. Everyone stuck with us today. It was a pretty good trade day. We made some money. Rustin, as always, absolute pleasure having you on. We're in a good time. You're a good sport. You're a good sport. Enjoy your time back in Miami. Wherever your travels are going to take you. Young trading journey, man. Enjoy it while you're young. Not hitched anything. Making that money, man. It's the best time ever. So truly enjoy it. It's a pleasure having you on.
Appreciate it, of course.
It's the good times.
Don't think I was gonna get
And
What a field.
just lost my account. Lost my XFA. All right, well that's it. Lost my XFA. I was expecting Apple to drop because I don't think Apple's going to have that good of earnings. We lost the combine, so we're back at combines. I hit max loss on 53. We have 66, 91, and 31 left. So that is it. That is it. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll get back after it again. And I was forcing trades all day. That's what I was doing. After lunch, I was forcing trades, and that's what happens when you force trades. You lose your accounts. I'll see you guys. Trade safely. I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.